Today, I'll show you how to automatically forward Gmail emails to another account. If you want your incoming Gmail messages to arrive in a second email account automatically, Gmail has a built-in forwarding feature for that. Google says you can set up automatic forwarding from Gmail on a computer by adding a forwarding address, verifying it, and then choosing what happens to the original copy in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail on a computer and sign in to the account you want to forward messages from. Then click the settings icon, choose See All Settings, and open the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab, or in some layouts, just the Forwarding tab. In the Forwarding section, click Add a Forwarding Address, enter the email address you want to send messages to, and continue. Google says Gmail will send a verification message to that other email account before forwarding can start. Now go to the other email account and open the verification message from Gmail. Click the verification link inside that email or use the confirmation steps Gmail provides. After that, return to the Gmail account you're forwarding from, refresh the page, go back to Settings, then Forwarding and POP/IMAP, and choose Forward a copy of incoming mail to. Google also says you can decide what should happen to the Gmail copy, and it recommends keeping Gmail's copy in the inbox. Then click Save Changes at the bottom. If you do not want to forward every message, Gmail also lets you forward only certain emails. Google says the default forwarding option sends all incoming messages, but if you want only selected emails to be forwarded, you should turn off general forwarding and create a filter instead. To do that, open the search options in Gmail, enter your filter rules, click Create Filter, then choose Forward It, and select the forwarding address. There's also one important detail to remember. Google says filters only affect new incoming messages, not old emails that are already sitting in your inbox. So after you create a forwarding filter, it will work going forward, but it won't automatically resend older mail unless you handle those messages manually. And if you ever want to stop forwarding, just go back to Settings, open the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Again, choose Disable Forwarding and save the changes. That turns the feature off for future incoming messages. And that's how to automatically forward Gmail emails to another account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.